Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hadian balakut no ka Indian I-League jong ka samay balala, ka All India Football Federation, kelas dang pat saya kawai ke Lempung Ïalehkai Football, ya ka balatip kum ka Second Division League. Haka khandai tarik mentau benai leber, ka Langsning Sports Club, hapok ka jingalam jong coach uba H Sang Pliang, bat u kapten jong ka Kynhun, uba Brolington Walarpi. Haka jingi kendo bat kinong pasai kubor, kilapan pau, bat kerpat yaki Paidbah, ban kershan yaki ka club, bat ban wan pej yaki jingi khon ki bakani ka Kynhun, kan saya khon haka ni kanong ba Shillong. Kini kinong ilam nyok Langsning Sports Club, ilapan tepru bayaki tiket ondia ka dor arpo tingka, sanpo bat chispa tingka. Kajila ka jong ka Kynhun hakani kanong ba Shillong, kan sedang ningkong nado ka katsau trek mentau benai leber, hapo Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, nado ka por sau bje jan miet cheneng.
The preparation is good as maximum of the players are from 80% are from Meghalaya itself, and we have some foreigners with us, and at the same time 2-3 players like from Sikkim and Manipur. That's all we are having. Langsning, as it is, previously the owner of the club is having a club like the Blue Sports Club, but later on it turns into Langsning Sports Club, and Langsning has tried for second division many times. I think about 2-3 times they have tried. In 2011. So this is the time we are trying again, and we do hope that we will qualify, which is be a great boost to the state, especially because of the passion and the boys are having here with football, and the talent we have. So only thing is that is we need an opportunity to open to them, and the qualification to I-League will be a great opportunity for the boys of Shillong.
So nong nak tinggal terhilang ukatip wa nilak Ïalehkai bah nang tabat tengba tinggal rap ki supporter balak Mynsiem yang ni Ïalehkai bah te kan penolong yang ni bengilak benar cuma tinggal rap